Okay, guys and girls and everyone that watches. Yes, still not the battery show. I'm still playing around with computers. This one seems to have a real problem with its CPUs. And not 100% sure, I don't think it's going to work, but I'm going to try and install Linux onto it. We'll see. Now, when I try to install Linux, the problem is with this is... I'll turn it off first. Keep holding the button, it'll turn it off. The problem is with this, I've got the keyboard and it's got option. You're meant to press option when you turn it on, and then it'll go into the boot, what it can boot from. Like on the screen it'll have the 3 things or 4 things or 2 things or whatever it is that you're going to boot off. Now the problem is this doesn't connect. This keyboard doesn't connect, so I have to use this keyboard. Now you can use the Alt key. Now that Alt key doesn't seem to work. This one seems to work, so I can press the Alt key, turn it on, and it will come up with the screen information. So it's a quick handy tip. So there we are. I've pressed Alt and I've got 2 up. Now it's not seeing and you can install your network if you need to. It's not showing, and you can reinstall. You can go across and reinstall whichever one you want. But that's not going to help me at the moment. I need to get a version of Linux onto this thing. So I'm going to have to work on that.